Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are at Michael's. We are going to go in and I am going to see exactly what the Lemax Spooky Town. I forgot. I am so sorry. I forgot exactly what the town was called, but we're gonna go into Michael's and see exactly what kind of spooky town decorations they have and the Lemax Spooky Town pieces they have. So I hope you guys are excited like I am. This is my first time actually going into Michael's and seeing the Lemax collection because I have no idea. I never knew that they had this collection until I started looking into Christmas towns and stuff and seeing that they had a collection for it. So I hope you guys are excited like I am. And I am super duper excited. I am pumped, you guys. So let's go in and check out what Michael's have in store. So we walk in, we see pieces for embellishment, decorations, skeletons. You're gonna get the skeleton bones, hands, stuff for your planners, which if you are a planner girl like I am, you are happy. You have washi tape, which I'm gonna pick up a few, the glitters, stamps. This is Halloween. What are these sheets? You have Halloween paper kits, different sheets. This is the moon. What is this? Oh, different paper designs. And you have down here wooden type of things that you can, is this wooden? Oh no, it's paper, like paper cardboard that you can paint. Tombstones, pumpkins, and little houses. So we're gonna go around, and they have the diamond art kits for $14.99, and they're finishing this side to get started. So they do have these cute signs for $19.99. They are neon signs. You have a black cat, you have a ghost, you have a bat, and you have the boo sign. I think those are really, really cute. And over here, you have more Halloween stuff, but we're gonna cover that in another video next week. So yeah, we'll be back to see all this. Okay. So like I was saying, I was dying to see the Lemax Spooky Town, okay? Because I kept hearing everybody talk about it, and I just ran into it, you guys. So I was trying to figure out what are they talking about. I had to look it up on YouTube, and when I looked it up, I was like in awe. So I just found it, and I'm going to walk around and show you guys exactly how it looks because I'm super excited about this. I never knew they had this. They even have one for Christmas too, and I'm super excited about it. Kanai wants me to do a spooky town this year, so I'm excited about this. I don't know if I'm gonna grab something today or I might come back tomorrow, but I have to ponder on it to see exactly what I'm gonna get. But nonetheless, chatting, let's view. Starting off, we do have the dungeon cards, exclusive Michael's exclusive. It's a Michael's exclusive. This is the dungeon card. It is so cute. It is $19.99. We have the rotten cotton candy stand, where I don't see it, but it's $29.99. And then they have the fashion show right here. This is the creepy covered bridge, which is really, really cute. Look at the details on this. This is amazing. This is amazing. And then over here we have the pumpkin patch train. It's so cute. Oh my god. And then over here we have the Gothic Hills Funeral Parlor. Over here we have Bigfoot Brew House. So I'm guessing they're gonna put it out. And then the Creatures of the Night Pet Shop, $49.99. I'm gonna go down here. Skeleton College. This is right here. We have the Last Straw House of Scarecrow is right here. We have the Wicked Garden Coven is right here. Okay, and I'm gonna try my best this is everything, so you guys can see. And then Wanda's Cottage is $39.99. And then we have the Pumpkin Cottage is $39.99. We have Mystery Meat Cannon, $149.99. And all of these items, most of these items does move. And then in front of us, we have the House of Shadows, $79.99. This does light up, as I seen online. It does light up. The Haunted Estates. Sorry, it's $129.99. This is the one I'll probably buy for our living room and decorate around it. I really like this one. So it's really, really nice. And then we have Samantha Supernatural. And then she makes yard decor. So this lights up too. And then you see Samantha on the inside. It's $79.99. And then the Dungeon of Terror. And this is $179.99 also. And it does move and light up. Even these on here, these light up and stuff. They don't have everything out completely, but everything lights up and moves, just so you guys know. And I'm just gonna walk around and give you an overview of how everything looks, just in case you wanted to come check it out yourself, you know exactly what you're looking at when you run into it, because it is breathtaking. And I am super duper excited about this, and I will show you the packaging of each item just so you see it. And then on top of that, it is accessories to go with this haunted town, so we will get into that next. But this is so cool. Okay, all right, so then these are the boxes. So this is the boxes also, just in case you are, you know, looking for packaging and stuff like that. So this is gonna be your packaging. Some people like packaging. I myself don't. I think they're bulky, but okay, so let's do the accessories. So you do have different little figurines, and they are so cute. Some of these have prices on them and some don't, so I'm not sure the prices on most of them, but I do want to get you guys an up-close view of the packaging, of the accessories. I'm so sorry. This is so cute. So yeah, they even have the fake leaves. Look at this gate. You need this. This is $20. You need this if you're gonna do the spooky town. Even the pumpkins. Oh my god, look at those little grave. Look at this, how cute. Oh my god, I love this. I really do. They even have the little purple violet lights to shine. This is so cute. The man without the head. I just want the one house and decorate around it. Like, I swear, this is so cute. Look at her on her broom, guys. Come on. They have the trees. Look at the sign, the billboard sign. Look at those trees. They remind you of Wizard of Oz. And then they have the light post. And then down here, I think you just seen him. And then they do have the multiple plug-ins for you down here. And then those trees right here are amazing. And then this is just, I think this is the stuff you put on the ground. But they also, over here, they have the bottom part. Sorry. Over here, they have the little styrofoam for $21.99 that you will put your town on. So that's not bad. If you want to get super duper creative, you can pick up stuff like loose leaves or the little garland and drape it around your town and get super duper creative. You can either do a town or you can do however you want to do it. You can do a town, you could do just a little bitty town, or you can do something dramatic, but you can do whatever comes your mind. But I feel like they have endless possibilities, especially with the item that they offer for the spooky town. It is so amazing. It's so cute. I'm super duper excited about the Halloween town and all of the Halloween decor that's been coming out this year. I hope you guys do like these videos that's coming out, because they are so fun to go and vlog and to keep up with. And I will give you guys a vlog for the Michaels Halloween decor, because it is some neat things in here. The first time I vlogged the Michaels, it wasn't a lot of things in here, but this time, honey, they are showing out. So if you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next one. Mwah. Bye.